TRF Trustee Bharat Pandya sir, District Governor Pawan Agarwal, all past and future Rotary officers, distinguished guests, and dear Rotarian friends. Anjana and I are honored to welcome all of you here this evening in this city of Taj on the occasion of this foundation seminar. Friends, we are aware that the Rotary Foundation came into existence quite a few years after Rotary was founded, and then it became a distinct entity within the Rotary International. It, however, gained momentum only after the demise of Rotary founder Paul Harris in the year 1947. The mission being to enable Rotarians to advance world understanding, goodwill and peace through the improvement of health, support of education and elevation of poverty. We often see social organizations coming up and then closing down or becoming ineffective after a few years. Even Paul Harris, when asked, when you founded Rotary, did you think it would grow into a worldwide movement? He answered, no. I did not in 1905 foresee a worldwide movement. Friends, just think. Started in the year 1905, Rotary has survived all these years, 117 years, and is growing each day. Why? Has anyone ever thought why? To my mind, it is only and only because of its solid foundation, that is the Rotary Foundation, that Rotary has survived all these years. As a premier organization, a service organization, as we have shown that we can serve. The eradication of polio and Rotary's presence in times of need around the world, including in the recent dreaded COVID-19, has shown this. All thanks to the Rotary Foundation. Had TRF not been there, perhaps it would not have been possible to do all this good work which we do across the world. TRF converts your gifts into service projects for helping those who require it most. The Rotary Foundation is our prime source in funding. Rotary's humanitarian activities, from all local service projects to global initiatives as per its defined parameters within the 7 areas of focus, giving you access to unlimited funds, billions of funds to do projects on almost anything and everything on this earth. Friends, the beauty of TRF is that when you donate, you do not even know where and for what the money will be used. The only thing you know while donating is that you are sure that the money will be used for changing lives around the world. This also confirms to the true Indian belief कि एक हाथ दान दे तो दूसरे हाथ को मालूम नहीं पड़े, जो हमारी एक हिंदुस्तान की एक परंपरा है, जो एक हमारा थॉट है हिंदुस्तान का, जो एक हिंदू संस्कृति का जो एक थॉट है. As far as our district is concerned, for the last few years, we have been almost regularly doing global grant projects with the help of the Rotary Foundation. But this year, I am sure it will be a glittering grand jewel in the crown with a record number of projects in the service of humanity. Friends, you are leaders and therefore community service is your deep concern. I appeal to all of you not only to donate yourself to the Rotary Foundation, but also encourage others to donate to make the foundation more and more strong, so that our citadel of Rotary becomes stronger and stronger in the service of humanity as always. Friends, I will just pose one question before you. And there is a very special thing about why I am posing this question. How many of you feel that money or lot of money is really required to donate? How many of you? please raise your hands. If somebody strongly feels that a lot of money or at least money is required to donate. No one. Everybody feels that money is not required to donate. Everybody feels so. But I'll give you a specific example. Example in my own life, I'll tell you. My neighbor, late Mr. Padamchand Jain, मैंने उनको देखा. Especially Bharat sir, please, I'd like to tell you something about my neighborhood. We had a gentleman who was immediate neighbor to us, late Shri Padamchand Jain. He was a great man, of course. मैं बहुत छोटा था, मैं उनके साथ कभी कभी उनके जैन मंदिर में जाता था. तो मैं करीब 10-12 वर्ष का रहा होगा. मैं उनके साथ लौट रहा था, तो वहाँ पर वो कुछ दान का कुछ बोल कर आए कि मैं 10,000 दान दूंगा या 5,000 दान दूंगा. आई डोंट रिमेंबर, इट इज़ लॉन्ग बैक, मस्ट बी अर्ली 70s. तो जब गाड़ी में आकर बैठे तो उनके बेटे ने कहा कि पापा आपने दान देने के लिए तो कहा, लेकिन बैंक में तो पैसा नहीं है देने के लिए. तो उन्होंने कहा कोई बात नहीं है, तुम वो हुंडी के दलाल को बुलाओ और एक हुंडी लिख दो और जाके यहाँ पर पैसा भेज दो. I've seen such people donating in my life. And here's my friend Mukesh Jain sitting over here. Mukesh, can you please stand up? He's his son, my immediate neighbor, and he's a major donor. He's not even a Rotarian. When I became governor, he said, "What can I do for you?" I said, "Whatever you want." So he sent a blank check to me. I hesitantly put up some $10,000 amount there, and he readily signed it, and he became a major donor. He has also done some global grant projects with us through his society. And I am also very grateful to Mr. Gautam Seth. He is there. Will you please stand up, Mr. Gautam Seth? He also helps us in all this good work. Friends, we have such wonderful people in the society. And money is not really required to donate. This is such a big example which I have given you. Rotary Foundation is our base, and on that foundation, the citadel of Rotary stands. Thank you very much.